beautifuls? I'm here with another unboxing from the Power in You Unlimited. She sent me a box over as an influencer, and I want to show you guys some of the dope things that are in here. I'm going to start with all of the thank yous that she sent me. Thank you. I got an influencer card, which is super dope. I love getting stuff in the mail from you guys. And she also sent kind of like an about her on here. Her name is Mashir. She is so dope. I love her energy, love her vibe. If you want to support a small business, this is one that I definitely recommend. This is before I even got her products because I love her as a person. Getting her products was a bonus for me. So real quick, don't want to keep you guys too long. I want to show you what she sent me. I'm so excited. It came in this box. So she sent me a message and she said, hey, I would love for you to try out some of my items. What's your size? I sent her my size. 2 days later, this box was sitting outside of the house. And it was weird because it was like a Sunday too. And it was delivered. And I was like, wow. So I didn't open it until the next day and I was floored with everything that was in there. So I want to show you so you can see. Everybody's been commenting on this weight loss journey that I'm doing. I'm nowhere near where I need to be, but it was very fitting for her to send me the stuff that she did because I'm going through this journey right now with a personal trainer and trying to eat healthy and things like that. So when I opened up the box, one of the first things that I seen was this trainer, this waist trainer. Look at this. How cute is this? And not only is it cute, so back up a little bit. So right before, when I first started doing personal training, I wanted a waist trainer that I can put on that didn't hurt. Most waist trainers run super small, so it was like just thinking about the pain that I was going to feel with doing that and also working out. I just didn't think I was going to like it. So this was like super, like right on time because I wanted one that had a zipper. So as you can see, this has a zipper and you can see it even loosened up with me taking those off. So it has the zipper that goes up. And I wanted one that had these flaps that kind of reinforce you having on this waist trainer, right? So, and this bulge that's down here like drives me insane, but I refuse to go for surgery. Even though I did make an appointment, but I haven't put 150% in. So having a tool to assist me is going to be great on top of working with my personal trainer. So I put this on and I seen an immediate change like right away because I had this shirt on. And of course, you know, this definition was not there before I put it on, which I thought was really dope. I used to tell my clients to wear their waist trainers, to start wearing their waist trainers like between 2 and 3 hours a day and then slowly go up to 8 hours. I feel like because of the way this one is made, that I would definitely be able to do that a lot sooner. You know how some of them have that bone in them? Well, this has like it's holding me in, but it doesn't hurt. So I would probably be more apt to wear this more often, and you can see the definition that it's given. And doing some squats, but the definition that it's given me, I do want to be more defined around here and around in my waist area. So I'm going to continue to use this. I want to thank you, Mashir, for sending this beauty. I love it. It's going to be a part of my workout routine. And then she also sent some other goodies. And you can see that now my camera is actually facing up towards me, which makes me look tall because I'm only 5'2". But you can see that it's given some definition. I just have on a regular bra, I don't have on a push-up bra. It's definitely given some definition up under here. But you can see, like I can see the difference. I love this thing. Alrighty, let me know what you guys think. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the other goodies that she put in the bag. So I absolutely love tea. I already opened this. So she sent this slimming herbal tea, and it has all these goodies in there that are good for your body. So you want to try this. I'm not sure if we can do it cold, but I'm going to do it hot anyway. But this is how it comes in the little packets. And there's a decent amount of them in here, so I'm going to get through all these. I'm actually going to weigh myself and do everything that I normally do every day with some of this tea and see what my end results are in about a week. So the package also came with this, as well as this candle that smells amazing. So, and I'm obsessed with the word power right now. It has this really great clean smell. We're doing some redecorating in my office. So I'm actually going to light this today. And you can see it says power. Love it and love her branding. And her branding it's a luxury brand, which is dope because it just, it makes you, it's kind of like, has you like outside of the box. But then it's like your expectations are like super high for what's inside of everything, right? So this is the charcoal exfoliating sugar scrub. And I was looking for something, look at that, look at me making a mess. I was actually looking for something to use on my legs. So I'm going to try this one. I believe you can use it. The directions and everything, she has everything so put together. So I love the black canisters. I love the look of her labels. And then on the back, she has store information. She has how to use it as well as the ingredients and her website, which again is thepowerinunlimited.com. I think this whole set so far is so dope. But I love being able to have that information right at your hand, right at your fingertips in order if you have any questions or anything like that. So that's that one. And then there's another one that is turmeric. And turmeric is supposed to be really good for your body. So this is another sugar scrub. Open this and see what this one looks like. And turmeric. Like I've seen a lot of different recipes and things like that with turmeric in it. So I'm super excited to include this in my regimen. So I'm gonna see how often I have to use this. And again, I'm gonna do some before and after pictures so that you guys can see as well. And then the last thing we have is the Radiance Whipped Shea Body Butter. It's 100% all natural. And these items that she sent are these are like regular items. These are, regular size items. This is 4 ounces. So these are not samples that she sent. And another thing that I love as well is that she has scriptures on the back of each item. Like if that ain't some energy for you. Okay. So let me show you this one. This is so freaking cute. So she actually piped this out. So that little detail would have me buy this again. Just because she took the time to literally, she didn't just throw it into a jar. She literally took the time out to pipe it out. And this feels really, really good. And it has a shimmer. Good gracious. Y'all know how I feel about shimmer. So this feels really, really good. It has like a cocoa butter feel to it. Oh, and it has some shine. I love it. Okay, and this is the Radiance Whipped Shea Body Butter. So I'm going to show you guys everything that came in here. It's these 3 items that came in the box. There was a candle, and then there's a slimming tea, and then this waist trainer. I definitely love this whole box. I think it would be a great gift. I think it would be a jump start for people who are just now getting into self-care. Again, her website is thepowerinunlimited.com. Again, I'm going to check and see exactly how much it is so that you guys don't have to go scouring and see how much it is, but I'm going to post that along with the video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how you guys feel about each item I posted. I love that this is branded. The whole box is just, I love it. Everything is properly branded, and I think that you guys would love it just as much as I do. And if you head on over to her website, let her know that I sent you. And I'm going to go ahead and get another picture. I'm going to get a still picture so that you guys can see this waist trainer up close and personal. And if this is your first time here on my page, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I will see you later. Thank you guys.